Good morning, Zayn. It's 6:55. Time to rise and shine, sweetheart. Come on, my boy. Wake up! Wake up!
Good morning, Mommy. I'm already up. Yay! Let's play for a little bit. I feel so fresh. I'm ready, Mommy. Let's start the day. I'm brushing Mommy. Look, all clean and shiny. Good job, Zayn. You're brushing so well, my sweetheart.
Zayn, Baba, breakfast is ready. Come on, you two. Don't make Hafsa eat it all by herself.
I can already smell the parathas. Are you hungry, champ?
Yes, Baba. My tummy's making funny sounds. I came first.
Oh no, Zayn beat me again. Perfect way to start the day, with family and food.
Everything's hot and fresh. Let's start, shall we?
Zayn, start with your egg, dear. It's good for you.
Yes, champ. Eggs make you strong, just like superheroes.
But Papa, I don't like eggs.
Come on, champ. Egg is a superfood. If you eat it every day, you'll grow up strong and tall, just like me.
Just one bite, sweetheart. You might be surprised.
Okay, Papa. It's actually tasty.
That's my champ. Let's start the day with a full belly.
Zayn, you're doing great, dear.
I love my breakfast time.
Zayn, now it's time to get ready for school.
Yeah, I am going to school. Today's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna wear my school uniform.
Arms up, Zayn. That's it. You're looking so smart in your school shirt today. Now let's fix that collar. Oh, my handsome boy is looking so smart. Don't forget your socks. And tie those shoes tight. Perfect. You're all set to shine today. Go on now. Make us proud.
I'm ready for school. Let's see. Books, tiffin, and pencil box? Yup, all packed. Hey, I'm ready for school. Let's go! Let's go, Mom.
That's my brave boy. Ready to shine at school. Be kind to everyone and learn something new today, okay?
Yes, Mommy. I'll try my best and be a good boy. Bye, Mommy. Love you.
That's my boy. Now go shine like the sunshine.
I'm walking to school, my bag on my back, with books and dreams all ready to pack. The sun is out, the sky is blue. Today, I'll learn something new. What was that? Mommy! 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 Mommy, I got so scared. Please don't close the door.
Oh, my sweet boy. It's okay. I'm right here. You're safe now. What happened, my love?
A dog was on the road. It looked scary.
Oh, Zayn, my sweetheart. Don't worry. I'm here now. Come inside first. We'll sit together and you can tell me everything. It's going to be all right.
It was standing near the path, right in front of me. I froze. I didn't know what to do. It looked straight at me and I thought, maybe it'll bark or run after me. I got so scared, Mommy. My heart was beating so fast. I just turned around and ran home as fast as I could.
Oh, my sweet boy. Thank you for telling me. But don't worry. That dog wasn't trying to hurt you. Sometimes dogs just sit by the road and watch people walk by. They can look curious, but that doesn't mean they're dangerous. We'll figure it out together, okay?
Okay, Mama. I feel a little better now.
That's my brave boy. Let's take some food and go meet the dog together. We'll show him that we're kind, and he might become your friend. Some rice and a little bone should be good. Let's pack this nicely. We'll show that poor dog we mean no harm, just kindness. I'm sure he'll be happy to see us. Dogs are actually very friendly when we treat them with love, Zayn. They might bark sometimes, but that's just their way of talking.
Really, Amu? You think he won't bite?
Not at all. You'll see. Kindness always makes a difference. See how gentle he is? He was just waiting for someone to care.
Wow, he's not scary anymore, Amu. He's actually kind of cute.
Told you. Sometimes all it takes is a little care.
He likes us?
They just need a little love, just like us.
I didn't know dogs could be this sweet.
Looks like he's starting to trust you. All right, Zayn. Now let's get you to school.
Okay, Mommy. Bye, doggy. See you later.
Be brave and kind today, my love. Remember to smile and help others.
I will, Mommy. I promise.
I'm proud of you, my love. Always do your best and be kind. Goodbye, Zayn. Have a wonderful day.
Bye, Mommy. See you after school. Amma's sandwiches are the best. She always makes them just the way I like. Soft, cheesy, and a little spicy. That dog, he wasn't mean, just hungry. Maybe he was waiting for someone like me? I'll give this to him after school. Where are you, buddy? I've been thinking about you all day. I saved something just for you. Your tummy must be hungry. Oh, there you are. You really waited for me? I knew you'd still be here. I brought you something yummy. Just for you, friend. I saved the best part for you. Hope you like it. Here you go, buddy. I saved this just for you. It's my favorite part of the lunch, so I hope you like it too. You must have been waiting a long time, huh? He's really following me. Step by step, just like a real friend. I was scared before, but now it feels kind of nice. He didn't even bark or growl. Just sat there waiting. Maybe he's been lonely too. I can't wait to tell Amma. She's going to be so surprised. You made it all the way with me, huh? You're such a good boy. I think you need a name. How about Tiger? Yeah, you look like a brave tiger. All right then, Tiger. See you next time. Amma, you won't believe what happened today. I saw the same dog again, and he was sitting just where I left him this morning. I gave him the food I saved from Tiffin, and he ate it all. Then he followed me, all the way home.
Really? That's so sweet of you, Zayn. You are kind and brave. I'm proud of you.
And guess what? I gave him a name. Tiger!
Tiger, that's a strong name for a strong little friend. Now come on, sweetheart. Change your clothes. You've had a long day.
Mommy, can I go outside and play with my ball? Just a little bit?
Have you finished your snack, Zayn?
Yes, I ate the whole banana, even the last bite.
All right then. But promise me you'll be careful and not go too far.
Promise, I'll stay right by the front yard.
And no chasing butterflies into the neighbor's garden this time.
Okay, just football. Tiger, you came again. I was just about to play. Want to come with me? You really are my friend now, huh? Let's go play, buddy. Come on, Tiger, let's race. We're here, Tiger. Let's have fun. Hey, friends, look! Who came with me? Go, Tiger, catch it. You're the best goalie ever. He'll never find me here. He'll never find me here. Ah, you found me, clever boy. Whoa! You can fly! Go get it, Tiger! That's my tiger!
Spin, Tiger, spin! Spin, Tiger, spin!
You're my best friend, Tiger. Let's go home before Mommy calls. Come on, Tiger, we're home. You can rest here now, my friend.
Hey, I'm home.
Baba, you're back! I missed you so much!
Missed you too, champ. Come here. How was your day? Did anything fun happen?
Yes, I made a new friend today. And guess what? It's a dog. He followed me to the playground.
A dog? Really? That sounds like a big story.
Yes, you won't believe what happened. He was so brave today.
When I was walking to school, I saw a dog sitting by the road. At first, I got scared and ran back home.
Really? What happened then?
Mommy came with me and brought some food for him. And later, I shared my tiffin with him after school. He wagged his tail like he was saying thank you. He even followed me all the way back home.
He was so gentle. Zion wasn't scared anymore.
So I gave him a name, Tiger. Then he followed me to the playground. We played with my football papa. He's really smart.
You made a friend and gave him a name too? That's my brave boy.
Papa, can we build a little house for Tiger so he can stay near us? Please?
Of course, buddy. That's a great idea. Let's build the
And
coziest
just
little
like
home for
that,
Tiger.
Zayan's heart opened a new door, not just for a pet, but for a new friend.
Got the wood and tools, Zayn. Ready to help me?
Yes, Papa, let's build him a real house.
Oh, Hafsa and I are cheering for you both.
24 inches for the side panel. What do you think, Engineer Zayn?
I think Tiger needs a window too.
Hold it steady, champ. I've got the nail.
Okay, I won't move.
You two look like a great team.
Blue is Tiger's favorite, right?
Well, he wags hardest when you hold the blue brush.
Look, Tiger, it's all yours.
You did great, Zayn.
So beautiful. Hafsa loves it.
Every morning now began with a soft bark, a wagging tail outside the window, and a smile from Zayn. Because his best friend was already waiting, right there in the doghouse they built together. Each day, Tiger walked beside Zayn. Not too close, not too far. Just enough to say, "I've got your back, little buddy." And when they reached the school gate, Tiger waited, loyal and still. When the final bell rang, Zayn ran out, and there he was, tail wagging, eyes shining. Tiger. They walked home side by side, as if they'd done it forever. In the afternoons, the world became their playground. They chased, they tumbled, they laughed. Tiger barked with joy. Zayn threw the ball again and again. And every time, Tiger brought it back, tail wagging like a drumbeat of happiness. They sat under the tree, watching the sun melt into the river. No more fear, no more running, just Zayn and Tiger. What began as a bark by the road became something stronger than words, a friendship that stayed.